Hey, my name's Josh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Wahl stainless steel trimmer to achieve that perfect full beard look. We're going to go in with our comb and just comb down in the direction of the growth in order to make sure we get all the knots out and just make sure that our beard is uniform and ready to be cut. So now that our beard is prepped, we need to make sure our trimmers are prepped. So you need to do two things. For one, you want to make sure that it's charged, and number two, you want to make sure that your blades are oiled. So now that we have everything prepped, we're going to go ahead and start underneath our beard and just go ahead, lift this up, and just clean up along the edges. Wherever the hair is sparse, you just create a nice shape and line. So now that we've cleaned underneath our beard and gotten that all touched up, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our cheeks right here. Basically what we're gonna do is take our trimmers and just do a diagonal going up, following the hairline. All right, so we've cleaned up both sides. I'm gonna go in again and definitely fix it up a little bit. But we want it to look natural, so you don't want to go too far down into all this beard growth that you've done. You just want to keep it light right above it on a diagonal. Just very lightly. We're going in with our biggest guard. This is the last step. Everything's been cleaned up, shaped up. Now we just want to get this excess flyaway hairs to just trim that away. Just so it looks nice and clean. You can do this to your desired length. I want to keep mine a little bit longer this time. All right, guys, here's the final look. We went with something a little bit more natural today. We went ahead and cleaned up underneath our beard, the cheeks, we got our mustache, and then we just trimmed a little just to keep it nice and clean and tight. Once again, my name is Josh, and today I used the Wahl stainless steel trimmer. Thank you so much for watching.